This is Content 1 of Exploration Activity 3. My name is Zale, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on creating a PowerPoint-based quiz. There are several screencasting applications that you can use to make a variety of different quizzes. But did you know you can create a quiz right inside PowerPoint? You can add this quiz to an already existing presentation or make a standalone quiz inside PowerPoint. First, just open PowerPoint on your computer. I have opened a PowerPoint I already had, but if you're only making the quiz, create your first title page, then open slide 2 to start creating your quiz. On your new slide, type in your quiz question. Do this in the larger title box. When you're finished, shorten that title box so there is open space underneath it. Then click on the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, look for the text box option. Click there and open a text box underneath your question. Type in your first possible answer. Repeat this procedure as many times as you want one text box for each answer. I've shown 5 per this assignment. Remember, you can add a background or graphics if you want to keep the theme of the lesson. I have kept it plain to simplify things for this demonstration. Now we are ready to create the correct answer slide. Add another slide directly after your question. In the title box, type the word correct or that's right. Then, in the content box, add a comment such as continue the quiz. I added a graphic in the bottom of the content box. Remember, you may have to move the images or text boxes to fit or place them where you want. Your 5th slide is the wrong answer slide. Add a new blank slide, and in the title box, add incorrect or oops, that's wrong. You can give test takers the chance to try again if you want, or not. I prefer to simply give feedback explaining what the right choice would have been. Do this by typing in the title box what you want the learner to understand. I have also added a small image to this by finding an image and copying it, then right-clicking it and placing it inside the content box. Remember to give credit for images for correct citations. You may need to add a small text box to do this. When the PowerPoint is played, the words click to add, subtitle, those will not be seen. Now it's time to link the right and wrong answers to the relevant feedback slides. To do this, go back to the slide where the questions and answers were. Click on the Insert tab. Now click on the text box with the first answer, and then click on the hyperlink icon. A new box will appear on the left side. Click on Place in this document. Then click on the slide that corresponds to that answer, either the slide where you typed correct or the one where you typed, oops, that's not correct. It should look like what you're seeing on the screen. You will need to go and add the hyperlink to each one of the answers. It may change the color of the answers during this process, depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using. This is a good way of seeing which ones you've added the hyperlink to and which ones you still need to do. So each time you want to add a question to your PowerPoint, just repeat these steps. This is a great way to create quiz checkpoints every so often in your presentation. I hope this tutorial's been helpful. Great job, everyone.